When it comes to choosing the right tool for your arts and crafts project, only the genuine Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool will do. The Gyro-Cutter easily cuts through paper, cardstock, adhesive-backed vinyl, and 4mm plastic sheets. The Gyro-Cutter has an ergonomically shaped handle that is easy to hold and a 360-degree rotating head which enables anyone to cut complex shapes easily and quickly. Gyro-Cut is perfect for all types of papercraft and stencil-making projects including decoupage, card making, scrapbooking, and pattern making. Gyro-Cut works best on a self-healing cutting mat, but, in a pinch, can also be used with a cutting board. For best results, affix the material being cut to the cutting mat using our Repositionable spray adhesive. If no adhesive is available, tape can also be used. Hold the Gyro-Cut tool with the blade perpendicular to the material. As your hand changes direction, the blade turns automatically as only the sharp point of the blade makes contact with the surface being cut. When you come to a sharp corner, simply stop, move the tool head towards the new direction until the blade turns, and continue cutting. For thicker surfaces, such as this 4mm mylar stencil material, first practice cutting straight lines to determine how much pressure is required to cut through the material. Unlike scalpel-style knives, the Gyro-Cut blade will not easily cut the skin with normal use. When used in conjunction with Glad Press and Seal, Gyro-Cut is perfect for isolating those smaller design elements on more intricate stencils. Imitation gyro-cutters can be purchased online, but they simply don't cut it. Their blades are too large to cut effectively and also are wobbly, making it much more difficult to cut curved lines. Unlike with the genuine Gyro-Cut, you must turn the entire tool in order to change direction. The larger blade also makes it nearly impossible to get through thicker materials such as cardstock. Order the original Gyro-Cut craft and hobby cutting tool today.